If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your account, follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. This guide will help you navigate the necessary actions to regain access. Step 1. Access account settings. Log into your account and navigate to the Settings or Security section. Look for the option related to two-factor authentication or security settings. Step 2. Locate two-factor authentication. Find the two-factor authentication settings. This may be labeled as 2FA, two-step verification, or something similar. Click on this option to proceed. Step 3. Disable current two-factor authentication. If you have access to your current two-factor authentication method, disable it. This may involve entering a verification code sent to your device or email. Step 4. Set up new two-factor authentication. Once the old method is disabled, you can set up a new two-factor authentication method. Choose your preferred method, such as an authentication app or SMS, and follow the prompts to complete the setup. Step 5. Confirm and test. After setting up the new two-factor authentication, confirm that it is working by logging out and logging back in. Ensure you receive the verification code and can access your account successfully. By following these steps, you can reset your two-factor authentication and enhance your account security. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.